Good afternoon, guys. That's how we chose to go to 2023. Lucky to 23 like a boss. Welcome and peace, guys, to the 2023. Welcome. Today we chose to do our video in our local river area. That's how it looks. It's actually very beautiful, as you can have a look at it. Beautiful stones flowing silently there. No major problems there. As you can see, flowing very okay. The environment is very serene and also flowing very well. We're enjoying the waters here, as you can see. Very green and chill environment here in Africa. Kindly, if you have not subscribed to channel Ceuta Vincent, you're welcome. I'm also on TikTok with the same name, Ceuta Vincent, Ceuta_Vincent, and also I'm also on Instagram, same name, Ceuta Vincent, and also for any support, I shared I have my PayPal account, and also my link is down there. You can have a look at it. So that's the environment here in Africa. Actually, looks very chill, water flowing. It's the time is around around 12 noon. That is how we chose. It is the end year, 31st of December 2022, and we chose to take a walk here and also chill around the river. There I'm on the stone chilling here and also enjoying the environment. Here in Africa is a great environment. I know the picture which has been built about Africa, people are suffering, there is war everywhere, but here in Africa it's very peaceful here. No problem around, very silent, and also we enjoy such kind of a clean air, which is good for our health. And also, as you can see in the background, the river is flowing very well, and with the no beaches there. Yeah, you can have a chill, you can have a look, enjoy the video. Kindly, for those who have not subscribed, welcome, subscribe and also share with your friends. The new coming here, we want to take the channel Ceuta Vincent to another level on YouTube. So welcome and enjoy the kind of environment here. We are enjoying the water flowing there in the background, very enjoyable. This young man also here is enjoying this time here. Yeah, so you can see the river flowing. It's a very conducive environment for kids also, so you can have a look. Very chill environment, very green. Yeah, no hassle, no congestion here. Everyone enjoys the space. Yeah, the flowing of the river, very natural, doing very well. No problem here around. I'm sorry for the background of the machine. That is the scooter machine putting on the back. Yeah, ow! The guy chewing the stone there. I almost missed commenting about it. Yeah, he's really enjoying also there. The environment is very chill. Yeah, so that is what we enjoy here in Africa. And we never paid a penny for this. These things are provided for free. And some things are priceless. I know in other environments you get to pay a lot of money, but you can see the kind of stones we have there, kind of chill you can enjoy there. The kids can enjoy the environment. Guys, if you can have time, come here in Africa. You can take you to these places and also have a check on them, and also enjoy what we enjoy here in Africa. So it's a chill environment, it's a good environment, clean and polluted water from natural sources. Is not polluted. The river is very, very clean. The boy can enjoy himself around and do his thing there without any hassle. As you can see, very, very chill environment. Water, very serene water there environment. That's what we usually enjoy here in Africa. So as you enjoy your new end year, also with your new year resolution for 2023, I want to encourage you that you get focused on your goals for the new year, and also for the accomplishments which we believe God made you do this year. Implement them also to the next year as you enjoy the 2023. That's now you work on yourself, also where you did not reach your targets, so that you get to reach where you're supposed to reach on your goals. So we love you guys from the channel. We want you to enjoy the coming year 2023. The guy almost the guy almost fall there, as you can see. Yeah. Sometimes these stones, told him to be careful about the stones. Sometimes they are slippery, but yeah, he never hurt himself there. So guys, enjoy your end year as we come to the end of the year, and also take good care of yourselves and also your family as we come to the end of the year, so that we get to see each other for the new year 2023 with new vision, and also with the upcoming new focus on the life. So as you can see, the environment is very conducive. We wanted to enjoy it very chill today here in the river, so I can dance there. So I'm enjoying the environment, as you can see. Yes, very nice. Yeah, I'm not a good dancer, but I did that one. Yes, so that's water flowing down the river. As you can see, was very great environment. So guys, I've seen most YouTubers share their videos about Africa. Africa is chill everywhere, as you can see. I've seen as back as Nigeria, I've seen as back as Ghana, as back as South Africa, and from everywhere, all over Africa, we have great environment. And like from my previous videos, when I talked about Mara, also Wademaya, and also Dimango, and also Angomo, David Jr., and everyone, there's something great which we can do as YouTubers, the small ones, like the small YouTubers and also the big YouTubers. Especially the bigger YouTubers have more to do in promoting our Africa to the world, and also bringing what is good about Africa to the world, so that we get out the proper image of Africa, not our war zone areas, but as a conducive environment for growth and development, for great infrastructure, and also for healthcare promotions, and also taking care of the health of the Africans, and also the young and the old, so that we make Africa a better place, like another place for our people, young and old. So I want to challenge everyone who is on this platform, especially the YouTubers, to collaborate in this kind of thing, so that we promote Africa in a very positive way, and also bring the real picture of Africa to the world, unlike what the other news TVs have done to Africa, to show it as a war zone area, and also a place where there is no peace. But as you can see, guys, these are all video from the village. It's a chill place. You can enjoy it, and it is priceless, as you can see from our great videos. So guys, we love Africa, and Africa is our life. And it is what it is here in Africa, as you can see. Great environment, peaceful. And also in Africa, we work hard to make the ends meet. So, but today we chose it to do it in a certain way, of bringing it to the village setting in the river area, so that we show you what really happens at our village here at home, and also you also get to enjoy the great videos in our African setting. Guys, also on the coming year, on the resolution, Yes, peace. I wish you peace all through. Want you to enjoy your new year coming. Put your resolutions and also your objectives in focus so that you enjoy, so that at the end of the year, when you evaluate your goals and also objectives for the year, you get to see that you've done what is supposed to be done. So as you enjoy, for me, from my side, I want to promise you great videos are coming up. And also I look forward for your collaboration in very many places. I want to welcome brands which I can promote. I want to get collaboration with other partners who can be interested, and also especially in bringing African perspective in a different kind of in a positive kind of environment, so that we get to show the world what really happens in Africa from the positive side of it, and not that we are faking it. It's a raw video. You can have a look and see what we really do here in Africa, and great things happen in Africa. And I want to welcome you to my channel. We are taking it to another level. So guys, for those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. For any support, you can also check my link down there. And also for any information or comments, you can give a nice comment down there so that we see where we can help each other. Thank you.